What it do, gang? It's your boy CJ on 32s, and I'm back with another video. Man, I feel like my truck been gone for a long time, guys. But actually, I am about to go pick up my truck. I got a big sunroof installed. Can't wait to see what it looked like. Hopefully, I can stop by the dealership and they got time to put my bed liner in back of my truck, because I've been waiting on it for a while. Y'all already know, man, your boy is bundled up. Mask on, CJ on 32s. But yeah, we about to go pick up my truck, man. Probably stop by the shop. I got a lot of running around to do. As y'all already know, I've been on bed rest. I've been down and pretty much out. But the boy is feeling a lot better today. Was feeling a little bit better yesterday, but way better today. So I'm back up. I'm back at it. I'm back moving around. But I'm gonna go out and do what I gotta do and not jump too ahead of myself and come back and get back in the bed. But I got to get to my business, so y'all already know what it is. If you're here just watching the video, make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment, click that notification bell, and join the 32 gang. Also subscribe to my brand new YouTube channel, basically like life blogs, talking about, you know, the past and school and all type of crazy stuff. So make sure y'all subscribe to Vlogging with CJ on 32s. All right, guys, finally made it over here. Pick up my truck, see what the roof looked like. Got my mans out here. What's going on? How was it?
Good.
Look good?
Fine.
Check it out. They know the routine by now. Oh yeah. Oh man, let's get in here. Ain't seen my truck in a while, guys. Check it out. Now we got the roof up there in the truck. Ooh, look real good too. Alright, okay.
I programmed it to stop right there for wind buffing around town. And you just hit it again if you want to go all the way.
Okay. Let me check it out from the top view, man. Oh man, I ain't seen the truck in a minute. Let's get up here, guys. Okay. Here we go. Oh, look at that roof. That's right. Man, that roof pretty dang big too. What's going on? Look at that slide back. Stop. He got it programmed to stop there for the wind buffering. Hey man, what you doing down there? You don't belong in that seat. So what's the wind buffering do? What it's for?
Well, wind buffing, when you have all the windows rolled up and you open the sunroof up 100%, you get a thumping noise.
Right.
Around 30 miles an hour.
Okay.
So we program it to open right about there the first hit. And that prevents any wind buffing around town.
And for those who don't know, that we couldn't do different double sunroof and all that stuff. Try to explain that to them. Because of these ridges right here, then you get to cutting into here, right? You get to cutting into there if you try to doing double sunroofs. And
oh yeah, can't put a double on that. That's pretty deep. So same with that one. That's a factory install. That one stops here automatically from the factory, and you can't open it any further.
Oh, okay.
So that one stops right there because of that wind buffing. So it's a well-known thing.
Okay.
But yeah, we're pretty close here.
Pretty close, guys, to the line.
The 40-incher would have came right on top of this hump.
It looks good, man.
Oh, doesn't that?
Yep. Love it. Looks good. All right, guys, I'm back, and it's cold. Shoot, nose is running, but we're gonna go back to the inside and check out what they got going on. Then I'm gonna show y'all everything else that I got done in my truck. Oh, shut the door. I got a big splinter in tour part. What's going on, man?
What's going on?
What you got going on? Look like you always doing some seats.
Yep.
Seat man. Heated seats?
Non-stop.
Heated seats going in here?
Heated seats in this one.
Damn. Nice. So got a Traverse over here, brand new Traverse. Ooh, check it out, guys. Got a roof. Got some leather in here. I think this is my first time looking inside one of these Traverse. They nice. The new one's super nice. Traverse. Traverse headliner right here too. Oh, okay, we see who do all the work around here now. Yeah. Traverse headliner.
Yeah. The center of it comes out. Where's the center? Oh, you can't see if it's cut here. And this will come out and relocate the air conditioning vents. They were up here. We moved them back here because we're getting the center put in it. You can see where this part's going to come out. Just like yours. This is actually yours right here. And that was a guy before you. Same thing.
Oh, okay. Same truck. Look like the same truck.
It was.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, appreciate it once again. Where they can find you at, locate you if they need a roof.
Joliet. Phone number is 815-729-1819. Ask for Bob.
All right. Appreciate it.
All right.
Roofs look great. I'll be giving you a call when I got something else.
Thank you.
You never know. All right. Later. Let's go out here so I can check out my truck, man. See you later, man. Appreciate it. All right. Back out in the wild, guys. Okay. Now, I don't think I told y'all before, but y'all know I went ahead and got my front windshield tinted up there. I found the button to that. I need a car wash. I need a truck wash, more like it. Look at that big boy coming back home. Should I stop by the dealership? I gotta go by the bank. Oh, gotta get this put in ASAP. We're gonna stop by the dealership too. Let's get in here, man. I think it's been here longer than I had it. All right, start this boy up. Check that out. We got us a roof up there now, guys. Next thing, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Where is it at? Something on here I had learned that I wanted to show you guys before I got sick. I don't remember what the hell it was. I don't remember where it was at. I'll figure it out. But yeah, we about to go to the dealership. Probably gonna stop by the shop, holla at my boy Off-Road Al. But Operation Truck is back on the way. I don't know the next move yet. I don't know what I want to do, but we're gonna figure it out step by step, man. I'm just still trying to get myself all the way better, all the way together. But I definitely need all you guys to get in the comment section. Let me know what y'all think about the roof. We got the roof up there. Y'all see it, man. We'll pull that back. All right, fat boy. Boy Lynn back there. Just got off of work. He's talking about he finna go ice fishing. Take your sled out too. All right, holla at you, Lynn. We got it in the shop, man. Off-Road Al. They went to get some food, man. I think my boy Velvet Boots here. It's my first time back at the shop, guys, since being sick. Also about to go to the dealership and get my shit put in the back of my truck. Just talked to my boy over there. Quiet around here. Bet they got some music playing. Yep, they got some music playing back here. I knew it. What up, Velvet Boots? I gotta come holler at you, man. Y'all already know, kill the noise. God damn, man, I feel like I'm walking around with 3 extra bodies on me. I'm ready to go back home and get in my bed. Most definitely. Start planning my next move. Just get in there. I gotta plan my next move and make it my best move. Let me see. Oh, what's going on, Mr. Velvet Boots? Down and out, man.
See you up and moving.
Yeah, barely.
How you doing?
Chilling, man. Damn, it's cold back here. You gonna be sick. Gotta put my damn mask on.
Yeah.
Man.
Gotta stay warm, gotta stay cozy.
Y'all see why he look like Assassin's Creed around here. Al will kill you.
True.
Man. Where that heater at his wife bought that's supposed to be plugged up?
Right there.
Still in the box?
In the box. Ain't touching.
Look at this shit here, guys. We gonna have to get on Al's head, man. What's going on with this? Oh, this Al truck, his new truck. I see you done blacking it out. Damn, boy, you done blacking the rotors out. Every damn thing black. You ain't even care, huh? Just spray black.
Put some joints on it.
He finna rim it up?
Sure.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Quick little detail, cleaned up the paint a little bit.
These wheels going on here?
Yeah. 22s, 24s up the
What is they? Look like 22s. I know it's some old shit.
Yeah.
You know Al. Got you cleaning them. Try to make $1. Boy, that boy Al. What'd you say? Yeah, I feel it.
It was -5 5 degrees last night, some shit.
He picked you up.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
I know your bike thankful that it's cold and it's been parked.
I got something for you, though.
What'd you say?
I got something for
You got something coming?
Yeah.
For sure, man.
These days,
Ugh.
I catch you out here.
Anyway, guys, man, this your boy CJ on 32s. Checking out with another video, my boy.
Velvet Boots.
Velvet Boots. We out, man.
Yes, sir.
Gang.